Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love gardening, subscribe now because today we're talking about a great topic, how to use November to prepare your garden. I know that many people think that there is not much to do in the garden in this cold season, but they are wrong. Today we will share with you the secrets of which plants you can plant now so that you can welcome spring with a rich and healthy garden. We will be glad if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for that. Have you ever thought about what plants you can plant before winter? Leave a comment below. What city are you watching us from, and what is your favorite plant to plant this time of year? That way, we will all learn something new together, and maybe your neighbor will give you an idea for the next planting from the comments. Believe it or not, the first plant that loves planting in November is garlic and onion. They are the real stars of cold days. By planting onions in November, you give them a chance to develop a strong root system over the winter, which means they will welcome spring ready for explosive growth. Just imagine lush onions ready to harvest in the spring. It all starts now. Next on the list are spinach and kale, plants that can tolerate lower temperatures and even grow better in colder conditions. By planting spinach now, you provide yourself with fresh, healthy leaves as soon as the first spring heat sets in. And kale, a real winter superfood, will become your favorite green when you see how easily you can grow it even in the coldest months. Let's not forget the peas. Winter planting peas gives them a solid start and can give you an early harvest in the spring. Peas are extremely cold hardy and actually enjoy cooler soil, making them a perfect choice for November planting. So here's an opportunity to make your garden even richer. Remember, onions, spinach, kale, and peas, plants that love November temperatures and will repay you with a rich harvest in the season. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel, because soon we will talk about more interesting tricks for a successful gardening season. Thanks for watching. Keep your garden blooming well into the cold months. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.